So it's a question of question level is BITSAT problem. We are trying to solve BITSAT level problem. There is a playlist you must check. Fine. Yeah, you must check the playlist. Okay, so let's start with question. When a bimetallic strip is heated, doesn't bend, get twisted in the form of helix? Yeah. Bimetallic strip क्या होता है? It's a strip just like this of two material. Suppose the here material is suppose join two strip, two material. Suppose it is of copper and this is of aluminium. Fine. It is joined like this. Okay. It is joined in this form. If I heat this strip, so it will bend. It will not separate. It is joined from here. Correct na? Joint parts. So it will bend. See, there is a key concept. The material which have more alpha, more bending. More alpha, more bending. You must remember this concept. Why? Why this is a statement? You must understand the term. Why there will be more alpha and more bending, I am saying. See, there is a formula. Change in length is original length alpha delta t. Okay. Alpha is directly proportional to delta L. So increase in length will be when alpha is more. Fine now. So if there is a different material, so it will have different alpha and it will have different alpha. So both delta L will be different. If I give a heat to it, if I raise the temperature, so both will expand. Firstly though, if I give delta T temperature, both will expand. Delta L will change. Delta L will be there. Fine na? L will change. But rod cannot expand in linear form. Why? Because delta L will be different. Why delta L will be different? This is not possible कि copper rod इतनी expand हो जाए, ठीक है, this blue part, and aluminium rod इतनी expand हो जाए. Why this is not will happen? Because there is a joint. You cannot separate this point and this point. It is joined. Fine. You got it. This is the point now. Now, what will happen? So, the rod which have more alpha will more bend. More alpha, more bend. So, it will bend in this shape. Fine. In this way, their joints will not separate. The rod will not separate. It will bend in this way. You got it? Aluminium rod become like this and copper rod become like this. Fine. You got my point? Okay. So, what's the answer? I will give you one more concept regarding this. This is a good question. Fine. It's a good question. So, I will explain over the concept of bimetallic strip. There is a one more concept. Okay. I will explain. Firstly, see the answer. When a metallic strip is heated, it doesn't bend at all. Bend to hogi. If it is a bimetallic means join with two different material, not same material. Same material होगा तो same ही bending होगी. Okay, bimetallic strip है. Get twisted in the form of helix. It will not expand like in this form of helix. So B is wrong. Bend in the form of arc with more expandable metal outside. Bend in the form of arc with more expandable metal inside. This is the question कि arc की form में तो bend हुई है. This is an arc ना? या आर्क की फॉर्म में तो हुई, पर कौन से मेटल की तरफ आर्क बनेगी, जरूरी थोड़ी है ये ऐसे एक्सपेंड हो, इट कैन ऑल्सो एक्सपेंड इन दिस वे ना. जस्ट अ मिनट, I will give you some another concept to explain the C and D option. Fine. बस remember, जिस मटेरियल का मोर अल्फा होगा मोर बेंडिंग होगी. You must remember this. Fine. I have already explained why. Okay. So if it's a given in question like this, it's a Cu, it's a aluminium. So one situation can be like this. Copper here, aluminium here. Fine. And one situation can be like this. And copper here, aluminium here. So what is the difference? In this situation, which rod is bent more? Can you tell me? कॉपर ज्यादा बेंड हुई है या एल्यूमिनियम? और ये तो इतनी बेंड होगी आर्क, ये छोटू सी ही रही है ना. सो हेयर कॉपर रॉड इज बेंड मोर एंड हेयर इतनी बड़ी बेंड होगी, एल्यूमिनियम रॉड इज बेंड मोर. फाइन ना. सो व्हाट डज दैट मीन? हेयर alpha of copper is more. Fine. Here alpha of aluminium is more. You got what I'm trying to say? कि बेंडिंग उस तरफ होएगी, बेंडिंग उसकी ज्यादा होएगी जिसका अल्फा ज्यादा होगा. करेक्ट ना? मोर अल्फा मोर बेंडिंग. सो वी हैव टू जस्ट चेक इफ alpha of copper is more, then answer is this. If alpha of aluminium is more, then answer would be this scenario. You got it now? I just take an example. I don't know which have more alpha. I literally don't know. This is an example. So can you tell me which is correct, C or D? A और B तो हो ही नहीं सकते. So bend in the form of arc with more expandable metal outside. Outside कौन सा metal होगा? Outside कौन सा होएगा? जो ज्यादा एक्सपेंड हो सकता है या जो कम एक्सपेंड हो सकता है. देखिए इसमें कॉपर आउटसाइड है तो कॉपर की बेंडिंग मोर हुई है, इसमें एल्यूमिनियम आउटसाइड है तो एल्यूमिनियम की बेंडिंग मोर हुई है. सो आंसर विल बी सी. मेटल की इनसाइड नहीं होएगी, मोर एक्सपेंडेबल आउटसाइड होएगी. यू गॉट इट ना? सो दिस इज अ गुड क्वेश्चन. आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड ऑल द कंसेप्ट इन दिस क्वेश्चन. देयर इज वन मोर कंसेप्ट. हाउ रेडियस of what is the radius of this? कि suppose this is a rod, ठीक है, this is how copper and aluminium is bending. I will just change the scenario. Just give me space here. Just comment me down, then I will explain the question, explain the solution. I am giving you a problem, just simple. There is a situation of some material like this. ठीक है, suppose this is a copper, this is aluminium. Now question is, oh, sorry, सारा इरेज हो गया. अब मैं क्लियरली बनाती हूँ क्या क्वेश्चन मैं बोलना चाह रही हूँ आपको. ठीक है, सपोज दिस इज टू मटेरियल, ठीक है, कॉपर एल्यूमिनियम. यू आर सीइंग कॉपर इज बेंडिंग मोर. नाउ क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज दिस आर? हाउ टू कैलकुलेट दिस आर? दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. दिस इज JEE advanced question. Here a derivation, then you must remember the R formula. Just remembering the formula. So just comment me down. Comment, then I will explain you the derivation part and give you the formula. Got it? Copy the formula from anywhere. Fine, just remember this. JEE advanced question is from this question. Perfect. So bimetallic strip concept is over. There is nothing more than bimetallic strip can be asked in exam. from all this concept, correct? So see you in next video. तब तक के लिए प्लेलिस्ट चेक करिएगा बिटसेट प्रॉब्लम लेवल की. फाइन, ओके.